one, as the old man has got shelter with one of the other old man, where he took so many things like dinner they have taken together, they have played a game, they have shared tobacco. Afterwards, what happened at that night? Here we can see that the first point, you can see that the old man was not only liberal in sharing his porridge but also his secrets. The old man means the red tape seller where he has got the shelter. The owner of that house is not only a liberal in sharing his porridge. He was not only the person who has shared his dinner with the red tape seller, but he has shared so many things over there also. Which thing he has shared with red tape seller, that so many secret he has said. He had to depend upon his cow for his living. Now he has started telling his story to red tape seller that I am only the person who is in this house living alone and I will have to earn by myself. So he was earning by, he was dependent upon his cow. He was not independent, but he was dependent upon his cow for his living. For livelihood, he has to do the work with cow. But how? The cow gave enough milk every day. Yes, obviously, he was having 3-4 cows. That cow has given milk enough for earning. Every day to be sold in the factory. Every day the cow has given enough money for giving into the factory, and by this milk he can get the money. The old man said that he was able to earn 30 kroners last month because of the cow's milk. He also shared one of the most important thing that he was earning. He was earning how many kroners? Here you can see 30 kroners last month with the help of cow's milk. So here, when they both shared the dinner, tobacco and so many things, they talked to each other, where at that time old man has also shared secrets too. How he has getting money in his life, what work he has done and why he has done that work, what kind of money and how much money he can earn from that business. All the things he has shared with the red tape seller. Second point, I want to tell you that the red tape seller did not believe it. Red tape seller was not cannot imagine that this old man can earn 30 kroner, and look at me, I am also doing hard work. Why I can't get money like him? So he cannot believe this thing. Therefore the old man took a leather pouch which hung on a window and took out 3 notes of 10 kroner. See, the old man who was the owner of the house, who has taken out the pouch which was hung on the window, that pouch he has taken and that opened and taken out the 30 kroners to show to the red tape seller. See, I am having 30 kroners. Yesterday I have earned this money. So again he showed those currency notes to make him believe his words, and then kept them back in the pouch. Just because old man wanted to make red tape seller believe that I can earn this money through my cow, and just because of making him to believe this thing, he has taken out the pouch from the window pane and he has opened the pouch, showed that 3 currency means 3 kroners, 30 kroners note, each 10 kroners note he has showed it to red tape seller, and afterward again he has put the same kroner into the pouch and again he had hung the pouch onto the window. Next, what happened? Next morning, after then, see, as they have completed their conversation, finally they both went for bed, and at the morning what happened? Next morning both the red tape seller and the crofter, that old man, woke up early. They both woke up early, and the old man locked up the door and went to his work. Both have left the house at the same time. Just because now the red tape seller was having no option to leave there, because now old man was have to move for his profession, for his business. He has to be with his cow, so he has to leave house, and at the same time he is not allowing him might be for living house alone. That's why they both lived house together. And afterward the red tape seller also thanked him and went his own way. As the wretched seller who has got the shelter for a night, and definitely none of the person can do this for strange person, and that has done by old man. Towards the wretched seller he has shown some feelings. He has shared so many things, and that's why wretched seller has told him thank you, and at the same time he was also very feeling proud that the old man who has given me the shelter for a night, no matter for a night, but he has given me the help. That's why he thanked him, and both went on their way. अब वो दोनों अपने अपने रास्ते पर चले गए हैं. Next point. After about half an hour, the wretched seller returned to the cottage, and he broke down the window pane where the pouch hung. As they both have left the house, old man went on his way, and the wretched seller went on his way. But the old man was moving to his business, but wretched seller was having the idea to steal that money from the window. So after half an hour, that wretched seller came back to the house and returned to the house cottage, and he broke down the window pane. Finally, he broke down the window where the pouch hung, where we can see the pouch, and that pouch has taken by the wretched seller. He took away the money. Finally, taken out the money, all of the money, whatever shown by the old man to the wretched seller, kept it in his pocket. Wretched seller has kept that money into his pocket and put the pouch back at its place and walked off. And he has putting down the pouch at the back, means at the same place. That pouch, little pouch, he has putting at the same place wherever he has taken, and nearby the window, and he has taken out the money and he walked off, means he went from there. Now what happened afterwards? The peddler means the wretched seller, old man, quite happy. Now he was becoming very happy, as now he was having 30 kroner. Kroner is one kind of currency. So he was happy and he had money just because he was having money in his pocket. He can't share his happiness to us just because he was having money in his pocket. He then thought of walking through the forest. Finally, as he left the place, he was thinking that if I am walking through the main road, then definitely police caught me. Okay, so police can catch me with this money, then might be they can caught me and they can put me into the prison. So finally he chosen the way of forest. He moving through the forest just because he wanted to save himself from the police or from the people. So he walked through the forest. Initially it was not difficult to walk through the forest. It was not difficult to walk through the forest. But what happened with him? Later on it got confusing for him as he forgot his way. As he has chosen the way of forest, he moved inside the forest, all the ways looking like same. He cannot comes out from the forest. He cannot comes out of the forest, and he cannot have the way to leave the forest, and he cannot reach to the road. At that time, whenever he was moving into the forest, he was coming to the same point. As he has taken the point, as he has find the way, but he was reaching to the same point. So in short, he was stuck over there into the forest and he cannot get the correct way. At this point of this time, he started thinking that now he himself was caught in the trap of the world just like other people. As he himself has given us the idea that all the people is caught up with the rat trap seller, and that is the world. World has given us so many materialistic needs, other people, and likewise here he has provided the money. He attracts towards the money. He has taken money, and finally he has chosen the way where he already caught. He cannot get the way to become out of the forest. And finally he was also thinking that he also got into the trap of the world just like other people. He was also at the same place. Now the whole forest seems to him like an inescapable prison. Now the whole forest, from there he cannot escape. वहाँ से वो निकल ही नहीं सकता है. Why? Just because he was not having any way. He was having money, but where he can spend. So now the rat trap seller was caught himself into the rat trap of the world just like other people. He was caught up there, an inescapable prison was there. Inescapable prison means from there he cannot coming out. So this is our part 2. For part 3, you can notice into the upcoming video. Till then you just refer this video. We will discuss this part 2 into the live session. Thank you.